guys, so today I'm going to be playing my slime. I'm going to be doing a slime collection video where I only have like around 4 or 5 slime, all those that are big. Yeah. Hold on. I'll be doing. I need to come on the other side because it's really bad. That was. Alright, so first we're gonna start with this right here. So I have 3 slimes in here. Oh. There's 3 slimes in here. Where did this water come from? I'm gonna throw this one out. Oh my god. Sorry about that. Okay. So the first one we have on this side is a poop slime. I call it poop slime because it looks so much like poop. And it's really good. I'm gonna get some in here and if the new one go. Okay. This is really sticky. This is called a poop slime, by the way. I ordered this online. So yeah. This smells super good. I'm in love with it. This is a fluffy slime. Like that. Yeah. I actually made that slime. The other one is a blue. I call it toothpaste because it looks so much like my toothpaste. Oh! I should have known that I have slime with it. Don't mind the background noise, it's my brother. So right now I'm just still all over the place. I'm sorry. Oh my god. I hope I don't get in trouble. I'll just leave the rest. So this is called toothpaste slime. It's really sticky and it makes a mess. So here's toothpaste slime. I made that one. This one is my favorite one. I made this one too. I want to make sure that my hands are clean because this is my clear slime. It doesn't look clear, but it is clean. Watch. This is the slime. And when you open it, it's so clear. This is my clear slime. I made it. It's called Pinky because it's sort of pink. And the last one is the big one. Oh, it's not that big. I have foam in it, by the way. I want to do this one. Now can you go by?
Vete tú!
No. Okay. No man. I want to.